You should know your priority when it comes to taking decisions. Kasi you can say negative on a positive way. Kaya every time lalabas ang word sa bibig mo, you should be careful. At any moment, dapat you control your emotion. Tandaan niyo po, lume-level up po yung buhay natin lagi. Sa bawat days na humahataw ka, sa bawat recruit na nag-i-invite ka, sa bawat taong na-handle mo, tandaan mo, iba-ibang klaseng emosyon ang dadaanan mo. Ba't ko dinidiscuss to? I've been here 25 years. From this day onward, if you really want to grow, ngayon pa lang, control mo. Kasi pag emotional ka, yung pinantik ng bibig mo, ang tulis yan. Ang tulis. Ito matindi. Pag nabitawan mo na yan, hindi na yan maibabalik. I always think twice before you say a word. Sabi nga nila, we are allowed to have at least 2 seconds before we speak. You say the word first to yourself, then say it to them if na-hurt ka o hindi. If ikaw pa lang na-hurt ka doon sa sinabi mo, sa sarili mo, don't say it at all.